Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing 2 easy ways on how to crop an image on your Mac. Let's jump right in. The first method involves using Preview. First, select the image you want to crop and press the spacebar to open it in Preview. Now that it's open, click on the markup icon in the top right-hand corner. You'll see a new set of tools appear. Select the crop icon. It looks like this show icon. Now you'll see the crop borders around your image. Simply drag the borders to select the portion of the image you want to keep. For this example, I'm going to crop my image like this, demonstrate cropping. Once you're happy with the selection, click Done in the top right-hand corner. And that's it. You've successfully cropped the image using Preview. Press the spacebar to exit. The next time you open the image, you'll see the cropped version. Now let's move on to the second way to crop an image, also using the Preview app, but with a slightly different approach. First, open your image. It should automatically open in the Preview app. If it doesn't, right-click the image, hover over Open With, and select Preview. Once the image is open in Preview, click the markup icon in the top right-hand corner again. You'll see the same set of tools as before. Now, notice that your cursor looks like a cross shape, which is the Selector tool. You can change the shape of this Selector tool by clicking on the Selector icon in the top left-hand corner. A drop-down menu will appear. You can choose from various selection shapes. We'll stick with the rectangular selection for now. Drag and drop to select the area you want to crop. Again, I'm going to select this Demonstrate Selection. Once you are happy with your selection, click the crop icon in the top right-hand corner. The image will now be cropped to your selected area. You can now exit the Preview application. The next time you open the image, it will be automatically saved with the crop applied. You can now use the cropped image as you normally would. And that's it. 2 simple ways to crop images on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. It really helps the channel. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.